assignment, na kama wewe unataka kusucceed ama kufanikiwa katika maisha. I know all of us, we have dreams. Everybody, it doesn't matter your age. Hata kama ukuwe na miaka ngapi, kuna dream ambayo uko nayo. And you desire that dream to manifest or to come to pass. But now, the question is, yes, we have dreams. But do we really want these dreams to come to pass? That's the question you need to ask yourself. Hiyo ndio swali unastahili ujiulize wewe mwenyewe. Yes, niko na ndoto. Kuna vitu nataka nifanye. But swali ni hii. Kutoka ndani yako ukweli unataka hii ndoto. What are you doing for this dream to come to pass? Can we see actions ambazo hata kama ni kidogo, hata kama 0.5% ambazo wewe mwenyewe umeamua kufanya for the manifestation of the dreams that you have. But now nataka nikupatia assignment. Ni assignment nataka uifanye for 5 years. And I want to assure you, your life will never be the same again. And I want us to work together. That's why I share link. Yeah, changing mind, changing future. So that you can be part of this family. We work together. And after 5 years, utarudi uniambia kwamba ulinisaidia sana. So nataka nikupatie hii assignment. And in a few minutes, because I want to summarize this video, ambao utafanya, nataka ujukue a piece of paper. Maybe utafanya after this video, after nimemaliza, ujukue a piece of paper, uandike number 1, your dream house. That's number 1. What is your dream house ambao unataka kuwa nayo? Number 2, your dream car. Number 3, your dream business. Okay? What kind of business do you want? What kind of generational business that you want to start in your life? So, and then number 3, so in these 3 things you have wrote, your dream house, write the amount of money ambayo ungependa ikujukue. So is how much ambayo nyumba yako itajenga ama utakuwa nayo. And then number 2, the dream car, how much money ambayo itanunuliwa. So you have to do your research. Number 3, the kind of the business you have, the budget, the amount of money ambayo that business ambayo ungependa ikuwe nayo, ukuwe nayo, the amount of money ambayo utakuwa nayo, so that you can be able to start that business and run that business. And now kitu utafanya, add all that money, upate the total amount of money you have in those 3 things. And then ukipata those total amount, let us say umepata the amount is X or Y. Now, and then in this total amount of money, ongeza your 6 months expenses. Okay? Utapata the total amount, let us say K. Alright, total amount of money ambao umepata. So in this total amount of money now times 2, utapata 2K. So this is the total amount of money ambao ningekupatia saizi, ungekuwa na your dream house, your dream car, your dream business, and the expenses ambazo zinaweza kukari onward for the next 6 months without having a loan from anybody. Okay? So ukiandika hiyo karatasi yako, if you can be able to remember, if you forget easily, go and pin it somewhere. Alright? So when you wake up, ukiamuka kila asubuhi, nataka niongee Kiswahili because I want to use my videos in Kiswahili, because I want to start from home. I want to start my home Kenya. I want to start from home, changing the mind of people from my home. So ukiamuka kila asubuhi, unapitia hizo vitu ambavyo umeandika. So mbona tunafanya hizi? These things will make you to wake up. These things will open your mind. Okay? These things zitakufanya ukuwe na ideas ambazo zitakusaidia ukaweza kutafuta njia ya kupata hizo vitu. Okay? So as you wake up in the morning, you make your short prayer, na unaangalia hizo vitu, naambia Mungu, nataka unisaidie kufanya hizo vitu in the next 5 years. Okay, so therefore, welcome to Changing Mind, Changing Future. Go, subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow my personal Facebook account and my personal TikTok account. But YouTube is Changing Mind, Changing Future. Alright, subscribe, like, share, and comment. Give your idea in your comment section na nitaikaribisha. Alright, and kitu ngine ningependa in that amount of money umeandika, ningependa niseme why tumemultiply 2, because ukisema maybe the amount of money ningependa kukua na maybe is $10,000, utapata ya kwamba at that time because of inflation vitu zimepanda bei, so that's why we multiply by 2. Okay, so that we can be able to do what we need. Therefore, thank you so much. Welcome to Changing Mind, Changing Future.